Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm located here, excuse me, I'm located here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. They are located anywhere across the United States, outside of the United States, even. Um, I just got off a consultation recently with somebody in Texas. So if we have anybody watching from Texas, say hello. Tell me where you're watching from if you're joining us for the first time. But I come on here to talk about immigration, just to talk about immigration, to provide information. Hopefully, you guys can learn a little bit more about immigration, get some clarity. Hi, Mohit. How are you? Good to see you. Hi, G. Uh, Thanks for joining, guys, on TikTok. We have friends here joining on Facebook and YouTube as well. Follow us and like us on our platforms if you haven't already done so. We have some people, some regulars. Mohit, shout out to you, coming on here frequently to learn a little bit about immigration, to learn about specific case types, to just get more information. Hi, Rakesh. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining. Um, we're here, as I mentioned, in Washington, D.C. I am an immigration lawyer. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the place. We work with only U.S. immigration cases. So we only help people come to the U.S. or stay legally in the U.S. or gain status somehow in the United States. Okay. So we can help people that are already here, and we can help people that want to come here, or people that want to bring their family members or employees from abroad into the United States. So U.S. immigration is what we do. I am an immigration lawyer. I'm here to chat with you just about immigration. If you have any questions, feel free to post them into the chat. Just know what I'm providing you here. I know nothing about your background. I'm just giving you general information. It is not specific to you. If you'd like to do a consultation, please reach out to us, and you can do that by calling our office 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Give us a call, and what we can do is schedule a consultation for you. Our consultations are done by phone, Zoom, or in person. Again, that's phone, Zoom, or in person. So Zoom, if you're not familiar with it, is going to be like this for us, just basically looking at each other, talking to each other. We can share documents as well, and review them together while we're on the call. That is the most common way we do our consultations, but some people do prefer to come and see us in person in our Washington, D.C. office. If you would like to do that, I'm more than happy to welcome you here to our Washington, D.C. office. Would be excited to see you here in person whenever you are able to come. But if you can't come to DC, we would love to have a phone consultation with you, or do a Zoom consultation with you. So no matter where you are in the U.S., we can accommodate you for a time with me to talk about your specific case, to talk about any questions you might have if you've already filed it. But if you're trying to find out what you might be eligible for, this is a great opportunity for you and I to get together, talk about immigration, and for me to give you specific advice relating to you and maybe the person that you're sponsoring. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm here streaming on multiple platforms. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. That's right, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Follow us and like us on the platforms if you want to be notified when I'm on again. But another reminder to share this with others. Share this with others that you think will benefit from this immigration conversation here, right? Because I'm hoping that this will help many of you just understand how immigration works in the United States, understand options for ways to get work authorization, ways to get a green card in the United States, okay? And if you want something specific towards you, if you need specific advice, I would encourage you to schedule a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Another reminder quickly, if you want to schedule a consultation, you can call the office at the number that I just mentioned, but you can also go on our Facebook page, which has a link where you can self-schedule. So you can go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration. You can schedule through there, or you can schedule on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Again, that's agarwalimmigration.com. Okay? Perfect. Wonderful to see so many of you. Say hello if you're just getting on, guys. And of course, share this with others if you think they might want to join us for this immigration conversation. Okay? Perfect. So let's go ahead and get started. I usually start with our question of the day. Our question of the day today is, how can I provide evidence to show good moral character? Okay, how can I provide evidence to show good moral character? So good moral character is a part of many different immigration applications. And so you can do it in a number of different ways. You need it for citizenship, you need it for VAWA, sometimes you need it for other case types as well. And it's one of the requirements to be able to receive that immigration benefit, okay? So what we see often is the good moral character requirement in a VAWA case. And one of the ways that we show good moral character in a VAWA case is by pulling your FBI report to show if you've had any citations, to show if you've had any crimes, and sometimes if you were in removal proceedings, that's also in that report. So we can pull that report many times. For most of our clients, there's nothing in there, and it says, you know, the fingerprints for this person have not revealed any prior arrests, convictions, something of that nature, right? So we can use that report, we submit that as an exhibit, and that really can be proof of good moral character in a VAWA case. If we can help you with your VAWA case, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Thanks so much. I look forward to meeting many of you for a consultation. Perfect. Okay, so that is good moral character in a VAWA case. In other types of applications, or even in a VAWA case, other evidence of good moral character can include your tax returns to show that you've been compliant and you've paid your required taxes. You can show, of course, showing that you don't have any crimes against, that you haven't been convicted of anything. You can pull your local police or local police clearance reports and include that in the application as well. Sometimes we have affidavits from friends or family talking about what a good person you are, if you've been working, if you're a strong employee, if you've been contributing to society, if you're a member of a church, if you've helped others. There's all of these different ways that you can show that you're a person of good moral character, okay? If we can help you with your immigration applications, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Awesome. All right, Mohit, what I'm seeing here, congratulations. So Mohit says he got a prima facie after 13 months, right? You've got a prima facie after 13 months of filing VAWA. Am I safe now? So getting a prima facie determination in a VAWA case is sort of like a pre-approval of your case. It basically means that you've submitted all of the different pieces of evidence that are required in order to get approved for your VAWA case eventually. The prima facie does not mean that the case is approved. It is a wonderful first step. So you should congratulate yourself if you did this application yourself, but it's a great first step in your VAWA case. That does not guarantee approval. There could be some hurdles along the way, right? So it's a great first step, but it does not mean that, quote unquote, you're safe, Mohit, but you do need to pay attention. If you have a request for evidence, of course, submit a response that is very strong. Also, make sure that you are compliant and that you don't get any additional convictions or charges as much as you can help it. Okay, if we can help you with your VAWA case, reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. 1663. Fonso says, I wanted to ask, how difficult would it be to get another EAD card because it's going to expire? The new EAD is 5 years, so I was just wondering how difficult it would be to renew. If whatever you're basing that first EAD card on, so for example, if you receive that EAD card based on a pending green card application and it is still pending, then you can easily renew that card. And you can't renew, however, until 6 months before the expiration date on your current card. So you can renew it as long as the basis for which you have that EAD card is still valid. So if you have an EAD card and that green card application was denied, that card is not going to be eligible for renewal. But if you filed a green card application, received an EAD, and that green card application is pending, you can renew that EAD card as long as it's within 6 months of the expiration date. I hope that helps you. Give us a call if we can help with your green card applications. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome, Fonzo. I'm glad that is helpful to you. He says, got it. Thank you. Perfect. That's awesome, guys. Great. Okay. GT says, what does it mean when the embassy says, need more administration processing time for my in-laws? That means that you've got the application has been put in administrative processing. If they ask questions, provide the information available. Administrative processing can go very quickly or it can take a very long time. So it's unclear how long that's going to take. Unfortunately, there's not really a way to speed that process up unless you want to sue the government. So that's always an option. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all over the United States. We help with all types of immigration cases, and we'd love to chat with you for a consultation. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. Do I have to do an interview for my VAWA case, right? So do I have to do an interview for my VAWA case? So most VAWA cases do not require an interview. So usually what we submit is a detailed statement from you. We call it a declaration. We submit a detailed declaration about the abuse in your marriage, if this is a marriage-based VAWA case, as part of your application process. We also submit evidence that it's a real marriage, that it's not just for immigration purposes. We submit evidence of your spouse's immigration status, if they're a green card holder or a U.S. citizen, if we have it, right? And we submit evidence of good moral character and that you live together. So we submit all of this as part of the initial VAWA petition. If the government needs more evidence, they will ask us for it, and we respond to that. We respond to that request for evidence. So an interview is typically not part of a VAWA case. However, if you're applying for VAWA and a green card, an interview is part of the green card process. So usually the VAWA is already decided. The green card interview will talk about if you have any other issues that might prevent you from receiving a green card, right? So we'd be looking at any other possible issues that might prevent you from receiving a green card. And sometimes you can submit a waiver application that will waive this as well. Give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA and green card application. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. All right, I hope that was helpful. Let me see some of you TikTok folks. You have so many different things. I-130 processing time. What is it? So an I-130 application, guys, is the first step in a family-based green card process, right? So what it does is it establishes the status, the immigration status of the person that is sponsoring that green card, and it establishes the relationship between the person that it is sponsoring and the person that they want to bring to the United States or get status for in the United States. So the processing time for that is usually about 9 months. I hope that is helpful to you. You can reach us for a consultation for your green card applications if you would like. We would love to help you. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients with all types of immigration cases. What is the timeline that you're seeing for VAWA and adjustment biometrics and EAD and AP approval, right? What is the timeline that you're seeing for VAWA and adjustment of application biometrics and EAD AP approval? So a VAWA case and a VAWA and adjustment of status case means you're applying for both VAWA and a green card at the same time. And part of that application will be applying for a work permit, which is EAD, Employment Authorization Document. AP stands for advanced parole, which is your travel authorization that lets you leave the country, come back while your green card application is pending. So the timeline that we generally see for that is about 5 months after we apply, we see a biometrics appointment. So this is a fingerprinting appointment from the government. That's what we're seeing. And the EAD card, the work permit card, and the travel authorization is approved around 6 to 8 months after we apply. So we're seeing on average 7 months. I hope that's helpful to you. Would love to help you with your VAWA green card applications. Give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients with all types of immigration applications. Give us a call or schedule your consultations online on our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the Facebook handle, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Thank you so much. Look forward to meeting many of you for a consultation. All right. Another question is, what should I write in my VAWA declaration, right? What should I write in my VAWA declaration? A VAWA case for us, the most common case type is a person who is married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, and they are facing abuse in the marriage. The marriage has to be real. They have to have lived with their spouse for any amount of time. There has to be abuse in the marriage, right? So that is what is required for a VAWA case. So what should you write in your VAWA declaration? So declaration can be one of the most important pieces of evidence in your VAWA case. It is a detailed statement about your entry into the marriage, the fact that it was a real marriage, that you were not just getting married for immigration purposes, and all of the various forms of abuse that occurred in the marriage. So it's really important that you cover many types if it's present in your marriage. So you want to make sure you hit on emotional abuse, psychological abuse, verbal abuse, sexual abuse, financial abuse, physical abuse if it's present. So you want to make sure you think about and try to recall all of the different incidents, as much as painful as it can be, and draft a declaration with everything that happened. In addition to just stating what's happened, what you want to do, what my tip for you would be, is to make sure you include how that treatment affected you. So if somebody called you names, how did it make you feel? That's what's important to also include in a detailed VAWA declaration. If we can help you, give us a call. Reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Call us to schedule a consultation. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can check out our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule a consultation online from there. So you'll see my availability and my calendar, see what works with your schedule, and make sure you get on my calendar as soon as you can, so we can do our consultation with you. Our consultations, as I mentioned, are by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So you can indicate how you would like to have that consultation when you schedule. It's phone, Zoom, or in person. We're located here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere. So if you would prefer to meet by phone or Zoom, that is completely and totally 100% okay. We'd love to chat with you about your immigration case and go over what you might be eligible for, come up with a plan on how to get you back in status if you're out of status, or help you achieve immigration status in the U.S. Okay, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. What does it mean when the embassy, oh, I think I already answered that question. It's a lot of the same question, my friend. How long does it process for an I-130 and I-485 for a Canadian citizen? That's a great question. I would say it takes about a year if you're married to a U.S. citizen. It takes about a year, assuming there are no other issues, and you submit a thorough, strong, heavy with evidence type of application. Give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Nailed Bimo says, a lawyer told me I cannot get it until 3 years after my VAWA is approved. I'm not exactly sure what you're talking about, but if you do file for VAWA and a green card application, which is adjustment of status, you can adjust status and get your green card after the VAWA has been decided and approved. Okay, give us a call if we can help, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. It's been wonderful to see so many of you today. If you want to schedule a consultation with us, please go ahead to our Facebook page right now. It's Agarwal Immigration. You can schedule directly from there right now. You can see my availability, see the calendar, pick your time, and I will see you. I will meet you there. You can also go on our website to learn more about our firm, to learn about our background, and our website is Agarwal Immigration. And you can also schedule from the website, of course. And then if you'd like to give us a call, you can do that, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can give us a call. Would love to chat with you about your immigration case and help you schedule a consultation. Okay, I'll be back on tomorrow. If you have friends or family that would like to join us for this consultation, share this with them so they can join us for this conversation. If you haven't followed us or liked us on our social media platforms, we're right now on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, also on Instagram. Make sure you follow us, like us, so you know when I'm coming on live. And if I didn't get to your question today, join me again tomorrow, and I'll do my best to get to everyone, okay? Thank you so much for joining, guys. Again, I'm Pratibha Agarwal. Hope to meet many of you. Thank you so much. Bye.